Find or read reviews that people are talking of DSANKE USB adapter charger for De-Walt 20V battery. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose DSANKE USB adapter charger for De-Walt 20V battery. Below are some reasons why you should choose. This DCB090 USB charger adapter with 5V/2.0 amp dual USB port can provide quick charging for your phones or other electronics devices, such as fans or lighting fixtures. And soldering equipment. 12V/2 amp DC port for heated jacket or other emergency use. This DCB090 battery power source with 300 lumens bright LED work light. There are 3 modes of general lighting, enhanced lighting, and flashing. Long press the button for 3 seconds to turn off the light. Suitable for many scenarios at job site, replacing flashlight, outdoor work light and emergency light. Made of fireproof ABS 757 material, comes short circuit, undervoltage, overcurrent protection, status indicator prompts. The power source adapter is compact and safe to use. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.